I'm Roger Delves. I'm the Associate Dean of Faculty and a Professor of Leadership Practice here at the Ashridge campus. And now I'm one of the first of the people here to use the Limitless Learning classrooms, and I have to say that it's hugely improved our ability to work in the apprentice space. The Limitless Learning classrooms allow us to have people in the room and people joining the room from a Zoom call.
I've seen it where it's one or the other. I've never seen it where you can actually apply both at the same time, physical and digital.
This is my first afternoon. So far it's gone very well. I'm very appreciative though that I'm present in the room, and that's worked brilliantly. So I'm hoping the experience is as good for those on Zoom as it is for us in the room.
You can see that they've really invested in the tech because when the lecturer or the person speaking, the camera just zooms in on that person so you can see who's talking, and that's nice from a virtual perspective because often you see this big room with tiny people and you don't know who's saying what. So I think it just helps you to feel connected to the whole experience.
It really is a fully integrated experience for the people on the Zoom call. Now what this means is that people who otherwise would really struggle to come to Ashridge are able to be part of a live event without leaving their own workplace or their own home space where they're working. Now, of course, if you can be here and you want to be here and you want that interaction of the live experience, we welcome you and you're here in the classroom.
Living quite locally, the opportunity to come to Ashridge and be in the fantastic grounds, but also having the flexibility to work from home if you want to as well. So I think it's a really great initiative.
I really think it is the way of the future, and I can't see that we will go back ever to just teaching people live in a classroom when we have this technology that allows us to do limitless learning.